The hardest part of trading isn't reading the charts. It's manage the person behind the screen. And so I entered a trade a little bit too early yesterday. I let my emotional get to me a little bit, and so I was FOMO to enter, to rush into the trade. Then sure enough, I got stuck, and right now, just like we are in the middle of nowhere. And so I think I'm just going to, hold on to it and to kind of just let my mistakes sink in and to see what's going to happen. So either way, if this long trade going to work out or not, I'm still going to mark this trade as a trade of mistake. The hardest part of trading isn't reading the charts. It's manage the person behind the screen. I broke my own rules and entered early because I was afraid of missing the move. Now I lost my edge and my mental peace. I'm stuck in no man's land, waiting for the market to bail me out of a mistake I shouldn't have made in the first place. So today the price break the weekly open and touch the monthly anchor VWAP and retrace back. So today is the day I'm supposed to enter my trade. I was like 1 or 2 days too early, but that doesn't mean this trade is going to make me profit. It just means I officially entered the trade. Yeah, we just have to see how it goes. The market was kind enough to give me a second chance today, but in this game, relying on luck is a dangerous habit. I moved my stop loss to break even, not just to protect my capital, but to buy back my sanity. A trader's greatest asset isn't their bank account, it's their ability to remain objective. I'm out of the red, but the lesson remains. Alright, so right now it's December 31st and it's 1:42 a.m. So I was about to go to bed, but I was watching the market, and it's I'm not really like how it looks, because we create the two lower high and the market is not really have enough momentum. So even though I'm in the long trade right now, but my overall bias for the market is still bearish, and so that's why I exit the trade and enter the opposite, and to see if the market going to try to break the low again. This brings up the ultimate trading paradox. When do you stick to the plan, and when do you pivot? If I stay in that long trade despite seeing lower highs and fading momentum, that wouldn't be discipline, it would be stubbornness. Overtrading isn't a trap, but ignore clear market shift is a death sentence. I choose to flip my bias because the reality on the screen changed, even if my ego didn't want to admit it. And so last night before I go to bed, I closed out my long trade, and I just reverse and place a short trade. The reason being is because I see the weakness, the market creating the lower high and several times. And so in this morning, the market shot out, tried to break the previous high, but it failed and come down, and now it's trading under the weekly open, but it's not quite break the support level yet. And so I would like to see the market break that support level, because because that level is being tested so many times. If it break, it's going to break hard. So I want to be part of that. So yeah, so that's just my trade. Tomorrow is the New Year's, and can you believe it's 2026? Hopefully you guys have a happy New Year's. So hopefully our trading can be even better than this year. And let me know what you've been working on and how's your trading doing. And I will talk to you next time. So right now it's January 4th and it's 12 midnight, and so I'm just doing a quick recap on what happened this week. So overall bias is still, I'm still trying to short the market, but right now just on a daily time frame, just we break that consolidation, we're going up. So this week is a losing week. So first 2 trades pretty much break even, and I have a 2 trade as a losing trade. And so I think I end up with about like 6% in the negative. So hopefully I am right with the direction but wrong on the timing. And so we just have to kind of watch out. So it's kind of hard for me to adjust, because in the past few months I've been winning and trade after trades. So it's kind of hard to swallow the losses. But that's funny, like how your psychology going to play with you. I don't know if it's just me or everyone feel the same way. When I was in a winning streak, I feel like invincible. I can just predict the market, and I know exactly what's the market going to do next. But when I have a couple losing trade, I feel like I'm nothing. Just all my study and all my work is useless. Before I learn how to review my trade, it will mess up with my mind, and just I will panic, and I will rush into a next trade to try to get my losses back. And before I know it, I lose 20, 30, sometimes 50% of my account. But besides that, just the amount of losses is still manageable, and still I try to not risk more than 2% of the account size. I'm still on the right track. I just have to keep at it and just let the time build up my confidence. So I was looking forward for next week, so I can have maybe some winning trade. And so if I have 2 losing weeks, I think I will still be fine. So yeah, so wish me luck.